In this installment of Introduction to Genially, we'll focus on adding complex media to Geniallys by uploading images. So let's say you've made a Genially, you've added a background image, you have some interactive points put in, but you want to add some more visual information for your audience. Well, in the Media tab, you can click to upload images from your computer, and Genially will load them. You can insert them into your Genially by dragging and dropping them in. Just like with anything else, they can be resized as needed, they can be moved around on the screen, and you can use transitions to give them a little bit more visual pop. I'm making this image a tooltip so that a window will pop up whenever a mouse scrolls over it. And in the tooltip, I'm going to show you how you can add an image to the interactive elements as well. If I want an image to show up in the space above my Genially when I mouse over it, I'm going to add the image to the tooltip that pops up by clicking on the image icon, clicking drop image, and selecting an image to embed in my tooltip. It'll take a second to upload and load the image, but once it's not grayed out anymore, it's ready to go. You can check your work with the preview function. There's my image, and when I mouse over, there it is again. To change things up a little bit, let's delete this, and I'll show you that you can save a step by linking directly to a URL to embed an image. Find an image you like, copy the URL, paste it into the editor, click insert, and there it is. Again, the image will take a few seconds to load. Once it's done, you can click save, go to preview to check your work, and now the new image will pop up when you mouse over your interactive element. Another powerful feature of Genially is the ability to embed video from a source like YouTube directly into the interactive elements of your image. In this Genially, you can see that I have a map of Greece and the Mediterranean area of Europe with several interactive elements already added. When I go to the preview, you can see I have transitions to give them some visual pop, and some of them have tooltip information that comes up when you mouse over. The castle is a window. I'm using this Genially to teach my students some background information on the Trojan War before we read the Odyssey, and I can embed a video by using the built-in HTML editor that Genially offers as a way of modifying the interactive elements. I found a video that I like on YouTube. It's a trailer for a movie version of the Trojan War, and you can go to the share box and copy the iframe code directly from YouTube, adjust some settings, and then in Genially, paste them into the HTML editor. Click Save, and now when you go back to the interactive element, you'll see that the video is there. Once you actually load the Genially in preview mode, the video will play, no problem, and it's a valuable resource for your students.